Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be showing you how I made $500 trading Nasdaq by only simple thing. I was only using simple strategy. The strategy is SMC, guys. SMC is very powerful, and it's how banks trade, guys. So what do you expect? So it have to play out. So I would like you to subscribe and like the video and comment anything you wanna comment, so that when I upload more video you could get them first. uh, I'm going to upload video about mitigation and how to refine order block and wake off. There's this three video I might upload anytime soon when I reach 100 subscription. Or you could share my YouTube link so that I could get my 100 subscriptions, then I could drop this other video. And I'm willing to give away 5 free mentorship to lucky winners when I reach 100 subscription, for those who will be commenting on my videos. So if I could start on how I took this trade. I was checking the market when it was at this area, and I found out that there's a liquidity which it left here. This one is a liquidity, and it is also a base. If you can check here, for those who know wake off, this one was a valid wake off accumulation schematic. It accumulated. Here is your U-turn, then is your text, or here is your spring, then this one is your test. The market tested the spring here, but I didn't took this trade. The trade went on and it created liquidity. This is liquidity. For those who don't understand liquidity, you can DM me on WhatsApp and on Instagram. On Instagram the name is DKLOFX, and on WhatsApp the number, you got them on the description of the video. So I found this liquidity, and now I started to look out for trades on Nasdaq. Firstly, I checked here, so I was hoping that the market will come and break here, but the market didn't break here, so I didn't consider it anymore. I left it and I leave it, and I watched the market again up to here. When the market came here, you can see that the institutions were involved. At this area you can see that the institutions were involved. Why I'm saying the institutions were involved, you can see that when the market comes here, it was creating those long candles, or it was going up with a rally. It was not consolidating, and when the market is not consolidating, just know that something is going on towards the market. So us as a smart money traders, we know that when the market is not consolidating, there is where there's institution. So here they liquidate. They came here to set this order block by only liquidating. They liquidate the previous highs. This the previous high, so they liquidate it. And when after they liquidate it, they didn't take time, they rallied down. So now I was happy because the rally broke my it started breaking this one. Now I was aware that this order block is valid. I was confirming it by two things that it's valid. First of all, it took out liquidity of retail traders. Second of all, it breaks the structure. Thirdly, it's on impulsive move. What do we mean by impulsive move? You can see that this one was not done by only retail traders. It was done by people who have money, or institution which have lot of money. So I waited and I waited until market came here. When market came here, I suggest that the market will just come and took the market will come to my limits. So I waited, but it didn't come to my limit. Then it goes down, goes up again. I was still waiting for the market to tap in my limits. Then it went down again. Then it come and tap all my limits. After tapping my limits, the market rallies. If you can check, guys, let's see, guys. Do you see how the market rally after tapping that order block? Do you see? Just see how the market rallies. It shows that institution here, they left something. They left something behind. If you can see, they left something behind, which they will have to go back and collect it. So they came and collected, and they even rally on the same pace. You can see this pace. If you compare this pace and this pace, you can see that it's not something different. You see, it's not something different. If you can compare these two paces, it's not like this one is. This pace is not like this one. It's not like this one, but it's like this one. You see? Okay, so yeah, I took out my trade around, I think here. I think here, yeah. I took out my trade around here. What I check when I took out trade, I check equal loss, liquidity, and what, and another order block. So here I checked previous low. When the market reached to my previous low, I have to take out. I know something could happen, so I have to take out. You may find out that on this previous low there was an order block, but you see it broke this structure, this one. So you may find out it was coming to collect this order block and rally up, because you know Nasdaq and US30, they are always on an uptrend, you see. So when you are selling in Nasdaq or US30, you don't sell high, you just buy high, you see. So here I've found out that it breaks. So now the market changed the character. It changed to low, to bearish, né? So I took out my trade. I think here I made around $300, if I'm not mistaken, but it was there on 300 and something. Yeah, I saw the market was on downtrend here, but when the market came here, it changed the character a little bit. It goes up, it was liquidating previous highs and respecting previous low. When the market is respecting previous low, just know that this market is on a bullish. When the market is liquidating previous lows and respecting previous high, just know that the market is on bearish. Then I waited. Here I came here and I was looking for this part. It was a beautiful part here, but institution came to me and told me, yeah, I know it's not. When they came here, institution came again to Nasdaq. So trading Nasdaq and US30 is very, very much important, because institution will always be there and institution will always be playing there. So institution were playing, came in, and they came in rally. You can see, guys, there's no retail traders who can invest this money and do this to the market. It's only banks. Sorry for that. Ish. Sorry, guys. Then I came to this area. Yeah, I came to this area. Yeah, I checked on my higher time frame and I found out that at the Nasdaq it was retesting and it reached the lowest area for retesting. So let me show you. and Nasdaq was retesting here, guys. Yeah. If you can check here, I came to this area and checked something here. If you can see this area, it was a very critic area. When the market rally after here, it failed to break here and to go above to go below to collect this imbalance. Here is an imbalance and it's not yet filled. But as for Nasdaq and US30, trading imbalances is useless. You can see here also another imbalance not yet filled. So here on Nasdaq and US30, just know that you'll always be going top. You'll always be going high, no chance. So when the market came here, I came to my 15 minutes again, 15 minutes, and I found an order block. How was this order block? What can I say? Valid. Someone asked Uri, how do you say this order block is valid? You can see here, this is institution, guys. Institution, you can see them by candles. Their candles are very more sensitive, and the order block, it breaks the structure. It breaks mine. When I got 5 minutes, I checked the structures and I found out that the structures were breaking too much. It break this, and it break this, but not yet broken this. That's why I went to my 5 minutes. For those who saw this trade, I took this trade to on my 5 minutes. I came here and I placed my limits here. This one was too dangerous, nyana, and one of my students says he was taken out. So I didn't know why, because when I said to them to place the stop loss here below the order block, because you can't place the stop loss on the order block. Some brokers have some shit spreads which they could make you to be taken out. So I don't know what happened. So after coming to tap the order block, you can see that it have to push on a high speed, or it have to rally. You see, guys, here after this rally, I logged my profit. After this, I logged my profit, because if the market reached the previous high, it can do anything. I logged my profit, then it coming to follow to respect our TP, and it respected our TP. I'm out, guys, on this trade. I just made a little $200, guys. I'm very happy, because I made a lot of money trading this Nasdaq. I traded it on last week and finished it on yesterday late, starting from 4 p.m. guys. So trading Nasdaq is very easy. Nasdaq, US30, and some of USD pairs, guys, because institution, they always focus on those pairs. No chance, guys, they always focus on those pairs. So I would like you to subscribe and comment anything. Don't forget to like, guys. For those who want PDFs about market structure, order blocks, and order block refinement, Wyckoff, and all those things for smart money, you can DM me. I can give you for free. For those who want a genuine mentorship, DM me on Instagram or WhatsApp. You will find the link for WhatsApp on the description of the video. So thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.